In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use groups in Figma. If your canvas ever feels cluttered, grouping is one of the quickest ways to stay organized and work faster. It lets you treat several layers like a single object so you can move, align, and manage them together without losing control of the individual pieces. Start by heading to figma.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the area that lists your work and click on all projects. This helps you see everything in one place so you can quickly find what you need. Choose the project you want to work in and open it. You'll land inside your file where the canvas and the layers panel are visible. Now decide which items you want to keep together. These could be an icon and its label, multiple shapes that form an illustration, or a set of elements that make up a button. Select all layers you want to include in the group. You can drag a box around them directly on the canvas for a quick marquee selection, or pick them from the layers panel if you need more precision. As you select, keep an eye on the layers panel to confirm you have the right items highlighted. With those layers selected, right-click on your mouse to open the context menu. This is the fastest way to reach actions related to your current selection. From that menu, click Group Selection. Figma will instantly create a group containing exactly the layers you selected. You'll notice the new group appear in the Layers panel, and on the canvas you can now move everything together. The bounding box will surround the entire set, making it easy to nudge, align, or resize as one. If you need to tweak an individual layer inside the group, just expand the group in the Layers panel and click the specific item. You're not locked out of editing just because things are grouped. A quick note on why grouping matters. It reduces accidental edits, keeps related elements together when you duplicate components, and makes collaboration smoother because teammates can see how pieces belong together. Groups are different from frames. Frames are structural and often used for layouts or constraints, while groups are simply a convenient container for related layers. After grouping, try moving the selection across your canvas. Everything stays together, which is especially helpful when you're arranging sections in a layout or keeping spacing consistent. If you consistently group related items, you'll find your files are easier to navigate and your design process becomes more predictable. That's it. Simple, clean, and effective. Now you know how to use groups in Figma to keep your work organized and efficient.